It's the guy down here with his chickens for me.
All right, you guys. So we are back with day 2 in Thailand. Let's go. Isn't this a beautiful, just authentic view to wake up to?
I'm completely happy there's a 7-Eleven across the street. There's also this cute little store. Oh, I was supposed to drink some water. Eek. I kind of almost want to go back and get some. But I am looking for food, so let's see what I can find. I love all of the bikes. The bikes are giving me life right now. Makes me want to hop on something and go somewhere. But I don't know where I'm going. So I am just going to focus on trying to find food. There's so many options. To say I'm overwhelmed is an understatement. Remember, walk around for probably like 10, 15 minutes and then go from there. So this is actually the dispensary I went to yesterday. They're closed now, but they open in a little bit, so I'm gonna go back there later. The little stuff in. I just got a couple pre-rolls. It goes in this room. Now I need a facial one. It was so good earlier. I got another one. This time, I got a different flavor. So good. So this time I'm gonna sit here and we're gonna walk.
Of course, as promised, next stop is the Dispo. Super cute in here, very vibey. I love a good neighborhood spot, so I'll definitely be back. And of course, I saw a grocery store, and because I was interested in cooking while I was here, I wanted to go in just to see what they had, what my options were. And even though the store is little, it pretty much had what you needed.
She likes to make me sick.
So,
No, that time.
Yeah, and this is like the little neighborhood. And of course, it's dinner time.
Y'all know I had to get a little strawberry dancer. And then here's what I got off of the little thingy. Super fucking excited, y'all. I definitely feel like this is too much food for one person, but I'm about to.
to say I'm excited.
It's another segment.
Look at all my vegetables. Love mushrooms. I got lots of those. This is the spicy side.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, y'all.
This looks like it's about to be real spicy. I asked him for light spice. He said he put less in there. Okay. So you burn up the shrimp. So that's great. Let's go with the shrimp. This one.
You know this is from China?
Oh, yes. So I did some research, and I did notice that.
Really?
So I'm excited because I don't think I've had Chinese hot pot before.
Yes. So maybe it's a good experience.
Yeah. Oh, I'm excited. I'm super excited. And since I like mushroom more, I'm going to put more of them in the mushroom. And then put that one in there. And they're going to cook super quick. See?
Super quick.
It looks so flavorful, y'all.
Oh, thank you. Y'all. Look at this. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I got the filet from France. Wow, it's hot fire.
All right, let's try it out. Big old mushroom. Very flavorful. That's good. Thank you. I totally forgot I ordered this. So I'm going to show you what all is on here.
So we are going to take all of these beautiful greens and we are going to put them in the hot pot. So let's go. Add some mushroom flavor to that one. Add a couple of these. I'm not the biggest fan of these. So I'm going to put one on that side. And I'm going to put one on this side. And then we're going to grab some of these mushrooms. They're little. I'm going to use my fingers. No, that's probably not the best. But it's what we got. Okay, now what else? Let's put some of these on both sides. The same thing with this. One of those and one of those. And let's get it all up in there. Actually, let's add a couple more of these. Oh no. It's flavorful. But the spice? Bananas. I can't eat that. No, I'm not Thai. I'm not American palate. Look at my mustache. It immediately starts sweating. Oh my gosh. Let's put a little bit in my bowl.
Very spicy and all. I ate down. Okay. It was so good.
Hold on. This right here. That's spicy. Ooh.
Insert a clip of my.
Thank you. My mustache is sweating. I was like crying. It's so good though. Oh.
Stay tuned.
I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone.